February Awards Assembly.
Hi, my name is Easton. Your first awards are your Wildcats of the Month and your Service Above Self. The Wildcats of the Month is given to two students in first, second, and third grade. The Service Above Self award goes to a third grader who gives back in some way. Here's your counselor, Mr. Graver, to pronounce these awards.
Hey Wildcats, we are here to present the awards for February. So we'll start like we always do with our Service Above Self, which goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond. So this month's recipient is third grader Jagger Stewart. Congratulations to Jagger. Our next awards are Wildcats of the Month, and we'll start with our first graders. So our first grade Wildcats of the Month are Reagan Carver and Camden Cooper. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Mason Krabs and Elena Malone. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Jackson Parkhurst and Lila Bruce. Congratulations to all those winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and I every month select a class that we feel demonstrates kindness and follows directions and really takes our lessons and takes it to heart. So this month's recipient goes to a class that really did a good job of following directions and working together and showing what kindness is all about. And so this month's recipient for the council goes to Miss Slesky's second grade class. Congratulations to that second grade class.
I'm Braylee. I want to tell you about our Bright Future Blue Barrel collection for March. We are collecting books and we really need picture books and early reader books. I'm Stella. Next up are our Character Trait Award winners. The Character Trait Award winners are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited kindness during the month of February. Here's our principal, Ms. Trout, to announce this month's winners.
Hi guys, here are Character Trait winners for February. Kendall Griffin, Brinley Schooler, Adelie Campbell, Charlie Adams, Sophia Cope, Ryder Bright, Delaney Bearden, Bentley Booth, Scarlett Weber, Carter Kelso, Kalia Stewart, Camden Cooper, Jonah Smith, Quentin Coleman, Harper James, Kylan Amron, Angel Guzman, Maddie Harrell, Carmen Calvin, Ben Randazzo, David Randall, Brinley Caldwell, Charlotte Doherty, Hunter Holt, Owen Kirch, Ellie Hochhalter, Max Rain, Jet Matthews, Jaden Hargrave, Catherine McCain, Dom Harleman, Temperance Good, Abigail Rose, Knox Trussell, Avery Pirtle, Aaliyah Francis, Grace Michaels, Gannon Dobnikar, Olivia Brummett, Lennon Cornelius, Kane Bedford, Amora Nims, Alexis Saldana, Bo Starforth, and Kyson Schleem. Great job, guys.
I'm Olivia. We want to thank all our families for attending our family night last night. Our first graders did a wonderful job with their music program, and the artwork around our halls was fantastic.
I'm Bush, and our Mathematician of the Month is the next award. This award is given to the one student chosen by the classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Here is Assistant Principal Mr. Hall to announce our winners.
Thanks guys, I'm excited for the Mathematicians of the Month. So for first grade we have Amelia Hilbrant, Adelie Campbell, Mason Smith, Nathan Hunter, Chloe Campbell, Colt Litchfield, and Jonah Smith. For second grade, we have Rio Rosa, Callan Bechtel, Dominic Bautista, Lucas Butler, Katra Buckingham, Josie Hillman, and Talon Vassar. For third grade, we have Tommy Hall, Alex Hunter, Rylan Hunt, Eris Peterson, Charlotte Griffey, Easton Moore, and Mila Barrett. And for French words class, we have Alexis Saldana, and for Ms. Doherty's room, we have Bentley Duffy. Congrats, guys.
Hi, I'm Maverick, and we wanted to let you know about a couple of dates later this month. Spring pictures are Wednesday, March 26th, major sales. Kickoff on Tuesday, April 1st.
I am Mila. This week is our school social work week, and we want to take this time to thank our district social worker Kelly Mesler for all she does for us. We appreciate her. I'm Faith, and I'm here to introduce our special teachers to present their awards. Here are Miss Holman, Miss Norman, Coach Mack, and Miss Lawman.
Hello HES, it's Coach Mack, and I'm excited to announce the PE Sportsmanship Award winners for the month of February. So the first grade class winner is Miss Cooper's class, and the second grade class winner is Miss Siegenthaler's class, and the third grade class winner is Miss Boland's class. Congratulations, Wildcats. Keep up the great work.
Hi Wildcats, I'm here to tell you the musicians of the month for the month of February. I have in first grade Chloe Campbell in Mrs. Maxwell's class, second grade Lakeland Long in Miss Siegenthaler's class, and third grade Clara Bross in Miss Hopper's class. Great job and congratulations.
Wildcats, I'm excited to announce the classes who have displayed amazing creativity. Congratulations to Mrs. Wilson's, Mrs. Peters, and Mrs. Carpenter students. Have a nice day.
Hello Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lawman from the library, and I would like to share with you the class that received the library award for the month of February. It's so great when they come in. They are kind, they are respectful, and so I'm giving it to Mrs. Gerke's second grade class. Congratulations.
Finally, I'm Stevie, and we want to remind you that spring break is coming up. There is no school March 17th through 21st. We hope you have a great weekend.
I'm Mrs. Studley. Our third graders have been reading books by Patricia Polacco for March Madness. These are our favorites so far.
The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders. The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders.
Thunder Cake. The Junkyard Wonders. The Junkyard Wonders. Thank you, Mr. Faulkner.
The Junkyard Wonders. Junkyard Wonders.
Junkyard Wonders. Junkyard Wonders. Thunder Cake. Thunder Cake.
The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders.
The Junkyard Wonders.
My rotten red-headed brother.